We just landed in Sydney. I've been going since 4:30, but we're going to meet Rod. We're going to give him the XA Falcon at what was Jamboree and come along for the ride. All right, we are here with Rod and his lovely family. They've trekked in the terrible Sydney weather. We've got the XA behind us. He's stoked.
I'm so happy.
he hasn't honestly said much since we've got here. He's just too busy looking at the car, but here is the keys.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
I'm so pleased. Rod's a big motorhead. His whole family is. They know exactly what goes on with this car. They're naming parts. They're doing everything. If the weather was a bit better, we'd be taking it down the strip. But unfortunately, Sydney provides the goods. You're saying,
and if I can thank just Tuff Streeters and Josh, this has been one of the best things of my life. Second best things of my life, sweetie.
Nearly. Oh, no, we appreciate it. Rod's been great. He's so ecstatic. He's keen to come to anything we put on in Sydney, take it to the track. You'll be seeing this car a lot, I feel. Thanks for joining up. Rod's said as soon as he got off the phone, he's jumped on a member. He wants the Tirana. He wants the VL. I feel like he's a member for life.
Jump in. It happened to me. It happened to you.
So is this a $150,000 car for what? $60?
$60. 2 tickets I bought.
We're still in Sydney. It's still raining, yep, but we managed to sneak away quickly. Rod, you got to drive the XA. What do you reckon?
It's beautiful. It's beyond my dreams. It's fantastic.
Goes good.
So much power. So much power.
He's very excited. Candy, what do you reckon? You excited?
Awesome. Can't wait to do the Sunday drive.
Yeah, they're ecstatic. They brought the whole fam out for it, which is lovely to see. Thanks again, guys. Appreciate it.
Thank you, Josh.
Have fun. Well done.
Thanks, Josh.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
And do you want this to be you, then sign up for a membership and buy a ticket, and we'll speak to you soon.
You've got to be in it to win it.